Hello everyone, good night I must say because it is almost 3:26. So welcome back to my channel in the midnight of 3:26 a.m. So actually why I am doing this vlog late is today is my birthday, guys. Yes, it is 26th April, my birthday, my born day. So that so I got a big surprise along with cakes, balloons, and this backside decoration, which means a lot to me, really lot to me. It was very beautiful surprise. So yeah, today is my birthday, and that's why you will see my vlog in a combination of today night and tomorrow the whole day how I spent my birthday. Just I'm going to share with all of my subscribers. So please everyone give me your wishes, best wishes and your blessings, all my elders. So that's it. I just want to say, and yeah, I just want to share one thing with all of you. That is the very special gift. Two gifts I got. One is my birthday dress, which I'm going to wear tomorrow, and another one I want to show is one brand bag purchase of Lavi brand name, hand brand bag. So I want to show that one. I want to unbox this brand bag in front of all of you. So you can see the name here, guys. It's Lavi. So it's a hand bag brand. So I'm now doing it, unboxing. So let's see how it is. I also didn't see. So guys, you can see here it is written Lavi. And here comes the bag. The packaging is awesome, everyone. So everyone, this is the brand bag, and here also they have given cellotape. Let me open. So guys, this is the complete look of the bag, and it's very beautiful, very pretty color. Pink is always my favorite color. It's a baby pink color if I'm not wrong, means. And this is how the design looks. And let me wear and see how it is. Please comment, guys, how I'm looking in this bag. I'm so happy for this because from so many like years, I must say, I'm thinking I want to do a brand handbag purchase. But obviously didn't get the opportunity, so I got this as a birthday gift. So thank you so much for this gift. It means a lot to me. So yeah, that's it. I just want to share this with all of you. And I have a birthday dress. That's it about my birthday gifts, nothing more. And also my family members here are not there. My mom and my brother, they are at my hometown. So in this auspicious day, they are not there with me. Last 3 years too, I'm not there in Agartala in my hometown. So yeah, quite I'm missing them. Last 3 years too, they are not there in my birthday in front of me. So that's it, nothing else. So please do watch the vlog until the end, everyone. Tomorrow my complete birthday vlog is coming in the YouTube channel. I hope you will like the vlog, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So that's it, guys. Good night for today, and tomorrow I will continue this vlog, guys. So bye bye, good night, take care. So everyone, before my birthday on Friday, that is 25th of April, I went to a temple beside my home. So their temple went, and after that, this is the temple scenario. which is very near to my staying location. So I went there and I distributed biscuits to the people who are sitting outside of the temple. I have distributed biscuits to all of them. There were, I think, 5 to 6 people around. So I have distributed biscuits to all of them because I do this kind of social activities. But since it is my birthday, so I have recorded the video just to share with all of you. Nothing else. So yeah, keep watching the vlog, and I hope you will like today's vlog. And guys, to be very honest, I felt very happy and blessed after doing this. That I'm given food to these people, so I was feeling very happy and very joyful. And here comes actually the next day, where like 26th of April, during evening time, before I went outside, the birthday cake which I have cut it, I have given that birthday cake, chocolate birthday cake, to all of them. Again, in that same temple, I went outside and I have given to them. So all of them were very happy, and they have remembered me that I came the last day and I have given biscuits to them. So they were speaking with me that only. And here I am distributing my birthday cake to them. Also, there were some chocolates along with me, which I want to give to them only, but unfortunately they do not wanted to take the chocolates. So I have given the chocolates to some other kids. That also you will see in the video clip. So keep continuing watching, guys. Here you can see I'm giving the chocolates to them. They came in front of me and they said they want chocolates. So I have given the complete chocolates to them. That is 5 star and Cadbury chocolates. So they were saying that they want to take all chocolates, all chocolates, all chocolates, means I'm giving to them. So yeah, it was really, really a different feeling to giving happiness to people around you. That's really a different feeling. And I was feeling very joyful. And here comes my street dog, whom I gives biscuits, foods often, very regularly. Every day I will give biscuits or else food to them, because that is my part of the day to give. So that's what the message I want to give to all of you, that giving happiness to others always makes ourselves happy. That's what I feel. So I hope you have enjoyed the vlog, so please keep continuing watching. Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to my channel. So everyone, yesterday's night vlog and today's 26th April vlog is a combination, because today is my birthday, it's my born day everyone. So that's why yesterday I have shared the midnight vlog of 3:26 am with all of you. So today day I have spent well, and yesterday night I have cut the cake, and these decorations and everything I have shown to you. And this is my birthday gift, this bag, a brand bag of Levi. And this is the complete attire, guys. This is the dress which I said yesterday is my birthday gift. So this is the dress and this is the bag. So both are my birthday gifts. So just I'm sharing with all of you. So now everyone, I am going outside just for a dinner, since it's a birthday. So that's why I'm going for dinner. So I am going to dinner to Barbecue Nation everyone. Because I thought that today Barbecue Nation dinner would be good for me because it's my birthday. So that's it, guys. And please do watch the vlog everyone until the end, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's continue the vlog without any further ado. So yeah guys, keep continuing watching my vlog. And guys, comment me this bag how it's looking, because this is my first brand bag purchase. So comment me how I'm looking with this attire and the bag. already 8:23 time, and actually guys, today I'm very much disappointed. Sorry, vehicles is going. So actually today I'm very disappointed. Today I got very delayed. Although it is my birthday, I couldn't spend much time outside guys, because today nearly in this particular area 4 to 5 hours electricity was not there. So I was very much disappointed today because of that. But anyhow, after the electricity came, anyhow I managed to get ready and to go outside. So and if anybody in the birthday will want that they look good and they want to go outside and spend some time with their near and dear ones. But unfortunately it didn't happen today. It got so much delayed. It's around 8:26. So anyways, whatever happens, good might be. So now I'm going outside and I'm going to Barbecue Nation, and please do watch the vlog until the end guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So keep continuing watching. So yeah, come with me. Already 8:30, so now I'm going outside to Barbecue Nation. Please watch the vlog until the end, and please do like, share and subscribe. Barbecue Nation. So this is DSL Mall Barbecue Nation. So I'll go above the Barbecue Nation today. Since it's birthday, so I thought to take the dinner here. So I have reserved the table here guys. So it is in the, I think it's in the 4th floor. Before also one time I came here and I have shared the video with all of you. So yeah, let's go inside and let's try the food. And please do watch the vlog until the end, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Actually, it has been today so late, so little bit you can see my face is a little bit upset because 5 hours electricity went and it became so much delayed. It is already 9 o'clock I came here. So anyways, I'm going to go inside now. And here before also I've tried the food of Barbecue Nation. I think it has a rating of 4.4 in DSL Mall Barbecue Nation. That is the nearest Barbecue Nation actually in my area. So that's why I chose this. So let's go inside and let's see how the food and whatever the menu is there, everything I'll share with all of you. So keep continuing watching guys.
1. Why?
Barbecue Nation just now, and actually to be honest I have booked the table guys, but some kinds of little bit of confusions happen. I booked the table since today is my birthday, so I have called them during the afternoon time, and like I have asked them for the special to give some kind of discounts, like around 150 rupees discounts I have received, and already the food came also, the starters they are serving. Thank you. So the thing is that guys, so while we are traveling and coming, little bit late happens. So there is a rule in Barbecue Nation: if you are booking the table, then you have to come within 15 to 20 minutes. If you come delayed means then that booking ID will get expired. That is the problem I faced it. Although after that I have requested them and might be they will proceed it. So here some kind of little bit problems happen. So anyways, everything is all right now, and I'm very excited for the food because after a lot of days I came here, and the pani puri they have given, the starters. So this is the pani puri, and this is the starter, and they have served chili chicken also, and that's it. So please watch the vlog guys. I hope definitely you will like it. Russian starters are really awesome, no words for that. And they have served the starters already, and you can see the starters here. These are all the combinations of the starters. Here are prawns, veg starters, pineapple, and different types of food, and they have given here the mayonnaise sauce and everything. And I'm starting on one food. This is chili chicken guys. This is also quite good. So everyone, almost they have served all the starters. So I must say the starters which I like the most is the garlic fish guys. Last time when I came to Barbecue Nation, this starter I have not tried. So I don't know this is a new or this old one, but it was really good. So that I have ordered it twice. So this is the grilled fish and it's really awesome. And these two mojitos I have ordered, the blue mojito. So this is the grilled fish. Really it's awesome. I will like rate this starter 5 out of 5. And I like this starter. Another one is prawns I like. Other than that, chicken is very common. Like in all restaurants, chicken starters are very common guys. So that's why that one are all very common. But fish one I like really nice. So it was really good. So let's try the mojito. When you drink mojito with starters, then only it gets full. So let's see today what is there in the main course. So today I came on Saturday 26th of April in DSL Mall at Barbecue Nation, and the starter was quite good. I have repeated the prawns and the garlic fish. So now this is the main course. So let's see what is there today. So yeah, come with me. Prefer to eat noodles or roti at night. I want white rice only. So I am eating white rice along with any gravy item whichever I would everyone, I have taken the main course already. In the main course I have included for my fish item aloo gobi and rice. That's it, nothing else. And salads, most important. And papad, because papad is must. And I have taken little bit of noodles also. That's it. And the main course is also nice. And I'm eating with hands only. It's tasting good. Rice is always the best option. They asked me for butter naan rotis, but I said that no, I'm okay with rice. I want plain rice. Actually, since we are Bengali people, for us rice is very important. We doesn't prefer to eat chapatis or butter naans or anything. For us, if it is rice is there, then it's enough. I think every Bengalis can connect with me what I'm speaking. So yeah, that's it. Until now everything went well in Barbecue Nation, and every food items whatever is available today on Saturday, everything I have shown to you, all of you. Taste wise everything is good. So yeah, please keep continuing watching the vlog and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So everyone, I am almost filled up completely and I am feeling so tired, like I am feeling sleepy. Here only I want to sleep, like that I am feeling. So anyways, the food, everything was good. After the main course, my stomach is completely filled up. So I have brought only gulab jamun and watermelon. in dessert, and ice cream I am not taking, guys, because I have little bit of cold, so that's why I'm not trying ice cream. So gulab jamun is good. Everything was good, and yeah, that's it. I hope you have liked the vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It was a birthday vlog today. That's why from yesterday night till today, the complete vlog I have shared with all of you. So who have not subscribed to my channel, so please give a subscribe, because every vlog is done with lot of dedication and hard work. So yeah, that's it. Keep continuing watching, guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So everyone, this is almost the end of my birthday. The time is 11:26. Only 30 minutes is pending. So this is the birthday cake from Barbecue Nation. They have given, so I'm going to cut the cake. So everyone, that's all about today's video. I hope you have liked the video, everyone. So my complete birthday vlog I have shared with all of you. I hope you have liked today's vlog. So if you have liked today's vlog, then please do subscribe to the channel, guys, because each and every video is done with lot of dedication and hard work. So this is the complete birthday vlog, my birthday of year 2025 I have shared with all of you. That's it, guys. So I hope everyone has enjoyed their weekend. A very happy weekend to all of you. I hope everyone is doing good, and that's it, nothing to say more. So until the next vlog, come to this channel. Till then, stay safe, happy, positive, and healthy. Bye bye. Good night. Take care, guys.